So let's check it out, see how many steps it takes to get this building done. All right, so we come in and we treat in the basement. We're gonna treat the boiler room. So we treat the hallways. Kitchens. Exterminator. All right, so in treating a building, it's a lot of steps. So we've got to do the common areas, which include the laundromats, the boiler rooms, the hallways, and then we knock on every door and we treat as many of the apartments as we can. We usually do kitchen and bath in all the apartments.